reviews.
Perfect for everyone who wants to create. Hi, I'm Xavier Perry Art. I'm an artist and I'm here with the Desire Company. And today we're looking at my Ryobi Jig Saw. So there are different types of saws. You have your combination saws, you have your table saws, but the cool thing about a jigsaw is that the blade is really thin and it allows you to cut shapes freely, and it allows you to what's called scroll and cut out patterns. I would recommend this jigsaw for beginner users, also experienced users. For one, I like that here on the bottom, you can kind of sort of adjust your angles. So if you're working on a project and you need to maybe, for instance, be at a 40-degree angle, there's a latch at the bottom and you can twist it here and maneuver the bottom in order to get the angle that you need. I also like that the jigsaw features different speeds here. So if you are someone who may be using this jigsaw for the first time, you can adjust your speeds here at a slower level. And if you're more confident in your cut making, then you can turn the speed up to get a better flow and to create a better rhythm. It can cut through metal, it can cut through particle board, it can cut through sheetrock material. It's really durable. I personally use this jigsaw for cutting coffee tables. It also is lightweight and it is handheld. Unlike some of your bigger industrial saws where it may be hard to get in certain grooves, a jigsaw allows you to get in those smaller areas and create custom designs. I've been using this jigsaw for about 4 to 5 years now. It has lasted to me a very long time, and I can definitely see myself using this for more and more years to come. And that's one reason why I definitely recommend this Ryobi jigsaw.